All right, this is what I got. Fuel line goes all the way to the back here. I know the 3 fuel lines, there's actually maybe brake distribution lines actually. I don't know where these go. I see 3 lines like this on the driver's side, but I also see 3 lines on the passenger side that look like that, but I'm not sure. I've got this wiggly hose connected up to it and stuffed inside of an air fitting, 7/16. Can't do this with one hand. What am I talking about? All right, it's connected. You probably hear that too. You guys hear the bubbles? So it's obviously going through the filter and pump. It's going back through. But I'm not getting any pump to the front. And if I spray some PB Blaster in here, and obviously the bubbles are coming out, so there's obvious pressure in there, and it's pushing it back through, but that's not getting up to the carburetor. Could this be plugged? Maybe? I could try that. I'll see if that works. Alright, same setup. I've got it plugged up directly to the... I don't know what that's called at all. I know it's not an inlet or a jet, obviously. We'll spray some PB Blaster in here. You guys probably can't see that, but it's pushing stuff through, and it's coming up through the car. So it's obviously working. I don't know. I've got all the connections that I can think of wired up. Whatever the fuck this thing is. I know this isn't the fuel pump. I've got both those connected. It'd probably help to clean those, maybe. Let's see. All the return line and exhaust lines are working because it obviously was venting or attempting to vent. So I have no clue. And also, this light doesn't work, man. I plugged this bit in for the bump sensor that's over here, and it's just not doing anything. Wonder if it's the fact that this is just, I don't know. Maybe it might.